eno kire se mone sana hene enko kasa ono ena Dormaa Hene tu ne se onima mamre ne yie ana abakosem ne nti obetumi akasa ti ye hyase ye morning show efri Dormaa yeguso aye no a ena ye mu ma studio one kan efi se na eyi asontre se Dormaa Hene ankasa eba ahemfi no emu ankasa no wabedi dwuma bi wo ho enti yetwa so wo ho ena memrante ebi na wo hai Gabi Ernest ene team ayekoye omututu machines no se omode ekosisi wo inside ho ti abra omututu no memete ho twen se ometutu akọ inside ho na makoka ho na afi yaye mi wo hwa na obi ba na obefrɛ me se ba Kofi aha afi na amamre kese pa na ba bekoso na amamre no ene se esese yeso eja a eye adua na eja no na ha ne de omrante na tutu machines no but se wantwa emma ne nyefe na me si okay ti wa me wo Osmo Pocket 3 ewo ho ena me yiye na me sha ase se me twa enti ba bia me gina no ena nipa ne san ka cha me se da bi de obeya mamre na nkasa no bebie ne car ne pono no waso gya no enti kogina ne sei ho ena obenya ne yiye manwa nyina ba bia na me gina na me ko gina ho me de me gusu a me twa abrafo yi wo ho afahye ye koda ye twa a omotutuo ma ebigu ye trimu na omoto me gina ho be ye sima ba konkomie no de me hu ya ne se itu atoma mawunu hwe bi o masum nyina mente hwe afi mani mu promoja many fra
but Dormaa is to understand that there is a God. Is to understand that I am born into Christianity and there was a God. I know a God who speaks for people who doesn't have voice. I have a voice and I can speak. Obi rati bia we ma was me nase emi se me nke bi was me nase ba mpede me ka de oye no kwale de so obi wo sun bi mu ana BBC a onye sika wo hia o san de bibia be ye bia sika ka ho na mmom eya kose obeyeye nyame beye wo boto no hia ono no hia sombo na me mebusuafo fiti the great Odampton dem papa bin fiti neja nechi ni na nechi fiti gomwa manfre fiti gomwa mem gomwa sen menana won kwadro ai malami nni adontin a won kwadro nyame nhira mo nyina na me papa nechi fiti keta jelo kope alakple anyako di twemu ko gliji kleko me kun ebusuafo bana gbao bonga ase fo nyame nhira ho manipa beyen ona na maye na mo ngana fo nyame ntum nkwam apapafo na wo mu na wo ye nyama papa wo kansem papa yautu nipa liwa wo kansempa wo kan nsem papa wo dugun dem nipa na wo sum no don nyame nka won ho na ma won kwantenten na nyankopon na la wa aka dada wa aka da obeto ye pon wo ye ya atamfo we enyim nti matamfo de oli ngu menyi bi na mo ngana fo nyina mo nkwado apapafo na owo mu na nyame nhira ho bon mikunu ye bunu ni ti se me wo mbade a no che de me mba wo ya bunufo ono nti Ghana fo ntaase me wa asem tu me da se be won ntaase meja nechi kakra wo me na nechi ata more than na den kakra wo mti ye kasa ye twa yu nti yu na abem won fa ndamala one task there because there me wale bunu funti na me fie ze wo ho nti mpeyfo no wo kire me there wo ye mebusuafo ni bi ono hu nti mo si na omonyo na Ghana afo mu ye dede video ketekete de pion na mo ehu na mo ye dede emi mamu kan wo mfidi ni de ni mi hu cause mi phone na mi use mi ni Facebook wo do mo Instagram na Instagram na bade mi ni bi mi wo WhatsApp na wana wonyi men won fa wasem ne mfa mbre me na me hu ba me kasa abete emi a mi dindin na na abne tru ba mi ebenkunyin wogo ma amanfo me na nanom a wogo ma amanfo won kwado wo be ye adwuma papa nti honhom ne wo ho tae echi bonofo intumi nkada bonofo nyina nye mempada magie dide na anu bi na wose bonoman wo pa hoho wo mpe wo de emi de mempada magie di nti minyinni me da ho minjindi ebia tira mesima minya abotal bosom na awotwe ansa na me ba abo an be kasa Ghana fun take note bosom na awotwe a menya abotal dem osande se Dormaa Hene nyim ugwasa bono nyim egwase mekun nyim egwase memba so wo ye menfo menyi besie ai besie a me won cho bi de noko nti si a wo de noko da che menyi bi ana ti benfo won so na wo fa din de ko bia nti me kitado na me de bepim ho a me hu de papa yo tena do only push him on peda me kasa nti me de besi ha by Angel CEO Vincent Opare until no one say there only protect a brand na me protect nkwa nti me no our interest is different me da chen there Christo so hu ne mobo no mfa nchen ya papa Dr. Kwekutin Yankopon Shiraw osande me te there na wo say yemba no kor a grant interview bi makasa okwen on send them sabe kafra na da so na enyi Ghana nso mimi amenya me tro bibi me de ma mi mbei ma abofrei yi Ernest oluko ni fie no abo 1 o se 2 me ma otena se me tro de ba hwem kan na ka kire mama tro na anyi bia fato ho se ka do obi ye pillar that doesn't mean the person has given you the world. The video is there. Say share footage now. I will not be the one to do the work for Aban, right? But on me say on record, Vincent, already made in command on your business. We are on a personal. Emi yo kone yo waja bushia waja wadi tu. Etu ko po na ni na mpheto. Me kune na fofo na wo frema their interest even me kune bushafo ni bi wo ba akra their interest is about the money won sa kan scan me ndia koshi me kune busha peyin ba ko no wa ha bisane sa mebo a obisam the first question he asked me was have you received the money? At a point I kept quiet and I asked him, is it about the money or is it about the life? He quickly retracts. Nti nyame nhyiran wo miam nti wo ye ba nyame nhyiran ba ma order me kaso me kakakra ba onya hwe nyame nhyiran papan the time he time pa or se me obia na Dr. Ekwiti aba house obeboa na papai da abra mu ye de na ye nte nka nti mi nte nka mi ntumi nka de mate nka papa no he menyim po de se na me ye niece na until you people should chill. You're talking about what? If you're talking about now, you said 115 and 40,000, then it's the same around 140,000 that we are talking about millions of thousands of dollars. Almost more than 500,000. It's gone, and nobody has asked anything from anybody. But Dormaa Hene should understand that there is a God. He should understand that I am born into Christianity. And there was a God. I know a God who speaks for people who doesn't have voice. I have a voice and I can speak. But I decided to keep quiet. Now I'm on a stool. I believe on Dormaa Hene's stool that one kasa mano. Na minim na the right time. Na Dormaa Hene konda be kasa ama ne desin konkron Kofi Adomah wanweni. Because of that, I have forgiven them. I am telling him that when he go to church, that is if he does, he should just tell God that we said we are forgiving him. But it's not all about money. Ghanaians should let us breathe. It is not all about money. It is not all about money. Amen. If it is about money, I don't sleep. Oh. I don't sleep. From 7 midnight to morning 6 a.m. I don't sleep. I don't sleep. Constantly your husband is telling you, I will choose death. I want to die. And it's a joke. And it's a joke.
I go.
And it's a joke.
All too soon, we've come to the end of the program.